For your activity for today, you are going to be generating a number 1 greater than and 1 less than, and 10 more and 10 less than a given number. So your first number is 70, so you're going to generate a number 1 greater than and 1 less than. You're going to fill out the place value chart and draw your base 10 blocks and answer these two questions at the bottom. What number is greater than 70 and what number is less than 70? What numbers did you come up with? Next, you have 10 greater and 10 less. So generate a number 10 greater than 70 and 10 less than 70. And then fill out your place value chart, draw your base 10 blocks, and then what number did you come up with that is greater than 70 and that is less than 70? Your next number that you have is 82. So you're going to generate a number 1 greater than 82 and 1 less than 82. The same thing. Complete your place value chart and draw your base 10 blocks and put what number is greater than 82 and what number is less than 82. Lastly, you'll do the same thing with 82 but with 10 greater than and 10 less. So you have to generate a number 10 greater than and 10 less. Fill out this page, and as well as what number did you come up with that is greater than 82 and what number is less than 82. Once you are done with this, go ahead and click the Save button and turn it into Google Classroom for your teacher. I'll see you next time in math. Bye!